Hello everybody, I am Rajesh Kumar, MC final year student of Veltech University. Now I am going to discuss my final year project. My project title is Enhancement of High SRS and Low SDS of BTS using trace-based simulation in mobile social network. My undergrad guidance of Mr. Hariharan, Assistant Professor of Veltech University. Abstract. In this project, trace-based simulation enable user to share service review in service-oriented mobile social network. Trace-based simulation refers to system simulation performed by looking at trace of program execution of system components, access performance. In this project, use trace-based simulation mechanism. This mechanism work the fast. This is send using this mechanism send message sequentially at a time. One to more messages sent in existing system. In this project, existing system is have more disadvantage. Civil attack and review attack, rejection attack, modification attack, etc. Time and take more time taken, but this many disadvantage. Attack problem and their attack and time management problem. Purpose system. In this purpose system, purpose the trace-based simulation technique. And this technique used for do the work fast in mobile social network. This technique used, I send the message frequently, one to more message, and in this technique used very fast work for sending and receiving. Advantage of purpose system. Using this system increase the fast work according to previous system. A number of messages can be passing frequently at a time. In purpose system will enhancement the high submission rate and reduce the submission delay. Hardware and software requirement. Hardware requirement system Pentium for 2.4 GHz, hard disk 40 GB, floppy drive 1 MB, monitor 15 VGA color, mouse logic, RAM 512 MB. Operating system Windows XP, 7 coding language Java J2EE, ID NetBeans 7.4 database. And now email diagram. Use case diagram is connected user, vendor, enter ID, password, see the view home page. Under user details, social network, simulator, sequence diagram. This is work sequentially vendor, send the simulator user. Class diagram vendor, user and simulator. Activity diagram start, go to simulator, if can check the if condition, new user request and login, then social network, then user, then go to message search. Zero level DFD, vendor connected by social network, user also connected, administrator also connected, and simulator also connected by the social network. One level DFD. User login social network to connect a simulator through go vendor message, user message, then go distributor network, then go for administrator. System architecture. Application and OS code, go for cyclic accurate instruction set simulator, then make the document file .tr, then read and write trace generation. Do not trace generation. Trace 1 and trace 2 go for generation, then go for memory. Trace simulation. ठीक है, trace simulation. Now I am going for discuss the program. This is a home page. I firstly go for user. Already user registered, then go for login. Without a new user, go for here and do the registration. Mobile number and location. Choose the file. Submit. Search the project by using private key, then submit. Samsung, Nokia, anything is selected. Nokia selected. Then submit. Nokia Grand www.nokia.com RAM internet review button. Then go the back. View recommendations. Search the product by using private key. Nokia, submit. Then go the back. Request for user private key. Go the back. Log out. Back. Then go for administrator. Administrator. See the all details. Username, AD, password, AD. See the list of all products. Product name, product URL, product description, product users, product name, etc. The product name. Back. User details. See the user details. List of user. Name, email, mobile number, location, secret key. No secret key. Want secret key? Then here click and generate the secret key. See the user details. User details. Vendor details. See the name, email, mobile, location, secret key, etc. For vendor details. See the vendor details. Link all review. Link of all review. Administrator have a permission for all. See the all details. Then go vendor login. You have already login, already registered. Then enter the email ID and password. If not registered, then Go for new user list. Register. RAG Raj. Error page. Home details. Administrator see the all win. Users already have user register. So database connection. Error. That's all.